Hey guys, this is Dr. Dave. Coming to you at actually what's being called the epicenter of the COVID-19 pandemic here in New York. Just finished rounds in the hospital. Couple observations. Number one is I'm still really pleased to report that a lot of patients are staying home. The emergency room is still quiet, thank God. But I am noticing that people are coming in with COVID-19. They're being quarantined. The hospital staff is doing the best they can. We're working on getting masks. I'm wearing an N95 mask, which is one of the approved masks. The other masks, the regular masks, these are less ideal. You really want the N95. So I'm very fortunate to have this. Again, there's a shortage, so we're waiting for more supplies. I want to stress again, stay home. Do not come to the hospital unless you absolutely have to. And the other thing that is confusing people is we're getting mixed messages. Do we have a treatment? Do we have a vaccine on the way? Right now, there are some hopeful treatments that are being tested. Hydroxychloroquine, azithromycin, some antivirals. So this is encouraging, but there's some confusion because you hear the president saying that we're going to get these out right away, and then you hear Dr. Fauci saying we have to use caution. And the truth is we need to be somewhere in the middle. We don't want to rush to get these medicines out and find they cause more harm than good. But at the same time, we don't want to delay medicines to people who really need it and could benefit from it. So it's a fine balance. So things are changing quickly, and I'll try to keep you posted. Sorry, I'm off the cardiology bandwagon a little bit, but this is kind of what's on everybody's mind. Okay, stay safe. Please do not come to the hospital unless you absolutely need to. Call your doctor. That's much more important, just to call your doctor, get some advice, and let them decide if you need to come to the hospital. Okay, guys, until next time, this is Dr. Dave.